friends, today we will see Newton's color disc. The materials required for this experiment are a paper, thin cardboard, a round object, pencil, sketch pens, scissors and a ruler. So let's begin this experiment. Now take a paper. Draw a circle by using the round object. Now divide the circle into 6 equal parts. Now, color each part by using different colors. Now keep this aside. Now trace a circle on the cardboard by using a pencil. And cut it. Now cut the circle. Now paste the paper over the cardboard. Now friends, our disc is ready. Now we are going to spin this disc, for which we can use any method. I am going to use a spinning top. So let's see what happens when we spin the disc. Friends, you can see that the disc looks entirely white. Do you know why this happens? Yes, white light is made up of all these colors in different wavelengths. Spinning the disc mixes all the wavelengths and it looks white entirely. Don't forget to give your like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.